In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export your data in Claude on PC and laptop. By the end, you will know exactly where to click and what to expect. So you can quickly grab a complete copy of your information for safekeeping or record keeping. This walkthrough works the same whether you are using the Claude website or the desktop app. Start by opening Claude and signing in. Make sure you are in the account you want to export, since the download will only include data tied to that specific profile. Once you are in, look to the lower left corner of the screen. You will see your profile usually shown as your initials or your display name. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open the main settings area where you manage your account preferences. Along the top or side, depending on your layout, find and select the Privacy tab. This is where Claude groups tools related to your data control and transparency, including your export option. Inside the Privacy section, look for the Export Data button and click it. Think of this as asking Claude to bundle up your account data into a package you can download. You are not downloading anything just yet. This simply starts the process on Claude's side to prepare your archive. A confirmation dialog will pop up to make sure you are ready. Click Export to begin. At this point, Claude queues your export and builds it in the background. This avoids large downloads happening directly in your browser and helps keep the process reliable. After a short wait, usually a few minutes, you will receive an email from Anthropic with a secure download linked to your data. Keep an eye on the inbox for the email address associated with your Claude account. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, then check your promotions or spam folders just in case. When the message arrives, open it and use the provided link to download your data to your computer. Because this file can be sizable, it's best to download on a device with a stable connection and enough storage space. For your privacy, treat the link and the downloaded file as sensitive and avoid sharing them. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.